The Rubik's Cube. Life's most legendary weapon. Bruh. Also one of the hardest to craft. Is now taking... Shut! Is now taking possession over oh my gosh!
Pass the chips.
Is now taking possession over the world.
Excuse me. Matters.
Is now taking possession over the world. And now one kid is wielding the... Yo. Can I have some of those chips too?
There you go.
Thanks. It's now taking possession over the world. Because what? Excuse me. One kid is now yielding a Rubik's Cube. Hold up.
Uh-oh.
And yeah, that kid, his name is Ian Underwood, and yeah, here. Wait, dude, no, this isn't him. Wait, what do you mean? This is the coolest guy that we could find. But this ain't him, dude. What the frick? Turn the dang thing around. But dude, this is the. This is Jaden Underwood. Hello. Yeah, I freaking know. He might not seem like that much, but he's very good at fighting, if you ask me. Once he finds the Rubik's Cube.
Hey,
Yo.
isn't the Rubik's Cube 4x4?
No. We can't handle that much power. I'll just blow up the whole entire world.
Oh, I think I put it in the trash by accident.
No, he's using a 2x2.
Oh, okay, good. There's something about destroying it breaks the world, but it's in the dumpster now and it's getting crushed. So yeah.
Huh.
No big deal.
No, not a big deal. Well, yeah, that's Jaden Underwood. So here's the story of him finding the.
La, just a normal day and just, holy crap, what is that?
Dude, bro, dude, let's do it again. dude, on 3, 2, 1. Oh, screw it!
I have something coming. Oh no.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Easy bake oven.
Bro.
What in the absolute
Profanity. This boy, he will get rid of all evil.